Good morning, students. Let's solve more questions of AP. Determine k so that k square plus 4k plus 8, comma 2k square plus 3k plus 6, comma 3k square plus 4k plus 4, comma are three consecutive terms of an AP. There are three terms, students. We have to find k. So, students, when three or more terms are given in AP, we know that the common difference is same. So we can obtain difference by subtracting A1 from A2, A2 minus A1, or from A3 minus A2. Okay, because we know that difference is same, that's why we have to equate both of them. So A2 minus A1, A2 value 2k square plus 3k plus 6 minus A1 value k square plus 4k plus 8. This side A3 value 3k square plus 4k plus 4 minus A2 value 2k square plus 3k plus 6. Let us solve, student. Open the bracket. 2k square plus 3k plus 6 minus k square minus 4k minus 8. Sign will be changed of second bracket because outside is minus, student. Similarly, this side, students, 3k square plus 4k plus 4 as it is, and second bracket sign will be changed because outside is minus. Minus 2k square minus 3k minus 6. Now, students, let us solve the like terms. 2k square minus k square plus 3k minus 4k minus k plus 6 minus 8 minus 2 equal to, this side also we have to solve like terms. 3k square minus 2k square plus k square, 4k minus 3k plus k plus 4 minus 6 minus 2. Now, students, both side same sign and equal values will be cancelled. So you can see this side k square is positive, this side also k square is positive. Both have same sign, both are equal, so both are cancelled. Minus to this side also, minus to this side also, both are equal, both have same sign, so minus to will be cancelled. What left here? Minus k, this side plus k. Minus k will transfer this side, k plus k equal to 0, 2k equals to 0, k equal to 0 upon 2, k equal to 0. So students, the value of k is 0. So you have to remember the method. When this kind of question is given, we have to find the value of unknown terms and the terms are in AP. So we can use this method, student, by obtaining difference A2 minus A1, then A3 minus A2. Okay, students. Now, student, next kind of question. When the question asking about find the any term from the end of the AP. So you can see this question, find the 12th term from the end of the AP. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and last term is given minus 100. So student, what is the easiest method? From the end question asking, so we have to write the AP in reverse order. Minus 100 we have to write first, then dot dot dot, then we have to write minus 6, then minus 4, then minus 2. So minus 100 will become first term and minus 2 will become last term. Okay, students, because we have to find 12 term from the end. So now, students, A equals to first term equals to minus 100. D, we can subtract minus 4 from minus 2. Okay, minus 2 minus minus 4. Remember, students, from the succeeding terms we have to subtract the preceding terms. That's why minus 2 minus minus 4. So minus 2 plus 4 equals to 2. So we have got here A minus 100, D 2. Now we have to find out 12th term. So A12 equals to A plus 11D. A value minus 100 plus 11, D value 2. minus 100 plus 22, minus 78. Okay, students. So when the question asking about the any term from the end, so we have to write the AP in reverse order. Okay, students. Next question, students. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and the sum of whose square is 120. So students, we have to suppose first 4 terms in AP. So when 4 numbers are there in AP, so we will take A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Why we are taking these 4 terms, students? So remember the method. Let us discuss. When you have to suppose 3 numbers in AP, so 3 is odd, student. So we will start from A. Okay, and the common difference is D. So first we have to subtract D from A, then we can get first term, and then we have to add D in A, we can get A plus D. So when 3 numbers in AP, we will suppose them A minus D, A plus D. Similarly, student, when the question asking about 5 terms, 5 number in AP, then the same method will be applied. First write A, because these are odd number terms. So when the question asking about odd number terms, we will start from A. First write A, then write left hand side A minus D, then write right hand side A plus D, then write again left hand side A minus 2D, then write left hand side one more term A plus 2D. Okay, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay, students. So these are 5 terms. So when question asking about these kind of terms, then remember. Now come to the even number of terms. We need 4 numbers in AP. So what is the method? When the even number of terms the question is asking, then we have to subtract 1 student first. So subtract 1 from 4, 3. First write A minus 3D. Then add 2D, because these are even number of terms. So A minus 3D plus 2D, A minus D. Then add 2D again, A minus D plus 2D, A plus D. Then add 2D again, A plus D plus 2D, A plus 3D. This method you have to remember. Okay, students. That's why here 4 numbers in AP. I have supposed A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So according to first condition, we have to add all A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D equals to 20. Minus D plus D cancel. Minus D plus D cancel, student. 4A equal to 20, A equal to 5. Now student, according to second condition, their square, it is given the sum of whose square is 120. So according to second condition, we have to make square. First number is square, then second number is square, then third number is square, then fourth number is square. Their sum is 120. So we are putting first A equal to 5, because A is 5, student. 5 minus 3D whole square, 5 minus D whole square, 5 plus D whole square, 5 plus 3D whole square equal to 120. A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay students, you can see minus 2 into 5 into 3d and 2 into 5 into 3d both are equal. So both will be cancelled. Minus 2 into 5 into d plus 2 into 5 into d both will be cancelled. 25 plus 9d square, 25 plus d square, 25 plus d square, 25 plus 9d square equal to 120. So 25, 25, 25, 25, 100 students, 9d square, 10d square, 11d square, 20d square equals to 120. 20d square equals to 120 minus 100. 20d square equals to 20. D square equals to 20 upon 20. D square equals to 1. D equal to plus minus 1. Okay students. So first we are going to take A equal to 5 and D equal to 1. Putting the value of A and D in these numbers, student. A 5 minus 3 into 1, 5 minus 1, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 3 into 1, 5 minus 3 2, 5 minus 1 4, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 3 8, 2 4 6 8. Now taking A equals to 5, D equal to minus 1 student. 5 minus 3 into minus 1, 5 minus minus 1 student. 5 plus minus 1, 5 plus 3 into minus 1, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 8 6 4 2. So both answers are correct students. The numbers 2 4 6 8 or numbers 8 6 4 2. Okay students, you have to remember this method student. When three numbers are in AP, you will start from A, write one left term and one right term by subtracting D and adding D. When four numbers are in AP, 4 is even number student. So first you will subtract 1 from 4, getting 3. So first term you will write A minus 3D. Then add 2D to D. Adding 2D, then you will get A minus D. Then add 2D, A plus D. Then add 2D, A plus 3D. 5 numbers are in AP, it is odd student. So odd number terms, we will start from A. The same method as we are doing for 3 numbers, same method will be applied here for 5 numbers. First write A, then left term A minus D, then right term A plus D, then again left term subtract D, A minus 2D, then add D, A plus 2D. Okay then students, have a nice day.